Okay guys, Mike here, MF Custom Garage. You'll have to bear with me, there's a little bit of wind and stuff, but today we're going to do a comparison of using oven cleaner and barbecue cleaner on some heads. And we had already kind of played with this a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys what works best, what doesn't, and just kind of go from there. So anyway guys, here's what we got. These heads still got a fair bit of carbon in the combustion chambers. You can see them. The exhaust ports are horrible. The intake ports are already all nice and clean, but the exhaust ports, as you can see, are horribly dirty. So we're gonna try, what we got here is the original Easy Off oven cleaner, which we know works pretty good for this stuff. Then we have this terrific, which is dollar store brand. They call this barbecue grill cleaner, and we'll see what it does. And then we have the dollar store oven cleaner. So what we're gonna do is, on this side of this head in the combustion chambers, we're gonna use the grill cleaner. Right here, we'll use the grill cleaner on this side of this head. Over here, we're gonna use the Easy Off oven cleaner, what I got left of it, in the combustion chamber and the exhaust ports. And on this head, we're gonna use, on this whole head, we're just gonna use the dollar store oven cleaner and see what happens. So I'm gonna get them ready to go, and then we'll go from there. So we'll dope them up and see how it goes. So on this actually head here, we're gonna use the grill cleaner on this part of the head. So this is how it's gonna go. So I'm just gonna take a picture so we know exactly how it is, and then I'll come back and take a picture or show you guys a short little video of how we did it. And like I said, the exhaust ports are horrible, so we'll really be able to tell if it bites in and what it does. And the combustion chambers aren't great either. So, all right, we'll get them ready. Okay guys, Mike here, so I'm back. Here's the this is the barbecue grill cleaner after a couple minutes. This is the Easy Off original oven cleaner, and yeah, you can tell it's already doing something. So that's the original Easy Off. This is that barbecue grill cleaner from the dollar store. This is the cheap dollar store barbecue cleaner. It's really foamy too. We'll wait and see what it does, but we'll know as soon as we hit them with a pressure washer here in 10-15 minutes what's going on. So anyway, we'll let those sit, but that's what they are right now. Okay guys, I've actually got a light on now so we can see a little bit better. And yeah, like the dollar store oven cleaner definitely did do something. You know, it's not as good as the Easy Off, but another application they'll probably be fairly good. So we're gonna do that. Over here, like I said, the Easy Off by far did better than the dollar store. You know, they're really, get that little bit of water out of there. They're really, you know, really ate in there pretty good. So, and we can really tell through here. The barbecue grill cleaner did do something, but it just lightened it up. That's about all it did. And in here, it really did nothing. So we're gonna give these a few more applications, just 2 or 3 applications of just this, and get them all cleaned up as best we can. The Easy Off by far is the best. The grill cleaner, really not worth the money, considering that was almost $5.99. That was $5.99, and this is $3. And so it did do something, but it didn't do what the Easy Off did. So that's that. Mic out, and we'll continue on cleaning these, but we will show them to you later. Okay guys, I hadn't done much to these. I did a couple more applications, and as you can see, this is how they came. They're not perfect, but these ports were horrible. And you know, the exhausts are cleaned up. We're gonna glass bead them now a bit. Go from there, but it gives you a really good idea what the oven cleaner, I guess, is capable of. And I just want to do a video to show guys that, you know, don't have a glass bead cabinet, that, you know, you can probably work with these for sure. So, I mean, we're fortunate not to have a glass bead cabinet and stuff, so that kind of helps us. But anyway, we'll leave this for now. So like I said, that was a good comparison of the Easy Off oven cleaner, the dollar store stuff, which costs $2.25, and that barbecue grill cleaner stuff, which is $3 or something when I looked. So yeah, that's your comparison. Anyway guys, that's the comparison of the cleaners, the cheap oven cleaners and barbecue grill cleaners and whatnot. And like I said, we fortunate enough to have a glass bead cabinet, so we're going to do a little bit more work on these heads, and that'll be that. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things, guys. Really appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Mic out.